Dealing with odors from the pet relief area at your facility can be a challenging task. But what if keeping these spaces smelling fresh was easier than you thought? Keep watching to learn about how we eliminate these odors. Here at State, we have been providing highly effective cleaning products for over 100 years to a variety of different areas across facilities. And today, we wanted to talk about pet relief areas. Before we start discussing solutions, we want to ensure you that the mentioned products will not harm pets when applied appropriately and are not meant to be applied directly to pets. Starting off with D-Stroy, this product is a great option for facilities that have pet relief areas and are struggling with the foul odors that come with it. D-Stroy is a highly effective odor eliminator that also contains powerful bacteria that produces trillions of enzymes to break down organic waste. In addition to the bacteria, this product also contains State's SE500 that eliminates odors at the source rather than just masking them. For application, simply spray D-Stroy on the affected area like on turf or any furniture in the pet relief area, undiluted. Then, mist lightly with water and let the product fully dry before allowing pets back into the treated area. For more detailed information on this product, feel free to watch our informational D-Stroy video at the first link below. Next up on the list, we have Ecolution Probiotic Floor Cleaner. This environmentally preferred product utilizes two-way cleaning technology that works great against organic waste surrounding the pet relief area. But first, its surfactants cut through any soils on the surface, while its probiotic additives attack and digest any soils that have accumulated deep in floor grout and pores. For application, dilute 4 ounces of Ecolution Probiotic Floor Cleaner per gallon of cold water into a mop bucket and apply the mixture with a mop. Dilution systems like State's One Solution are great for concentrated products like this. If you're interested in learning more, check out our One Solution video at the second link in the description. It's important to let the product dry before letting the pets back into the treated area. Do not rinse after application, as the probiotics stay active for 80 hours after application and reactivate after getting wet. Now that you've seen how our products can help keep your pet relief areas fresh and odor-free, take the next step by clicking the Contact Us link below to connect with one of our trained representatives who can answer any remaining questions and help find the right solution for you and your facility.